Hey, what do you like in your coffee in the morning? And are you a coffee drinker at all? Someone is not.
No. I'm the odd man out here. Yeah.
Someone is. We're cutting you off over there. You're on your own.
All right, we might turn everyone upside down with what you know about coffee's fascinating report from Kona, Hawaii.
Yeah, our Dave Malkoff is there to tell you what's good and what's not so good.
Thousands of feet above the beach on the big island of Hawaii.
My name's Trent Bateman. I'm the president and founder of Mountain Thunder Coffee Plantation. And we're going to show you a little bit about coffee today.
If your cup came from a fancy barista, or even if it came from the gas station, it all started as this, a coffee cherry.
So why don't you go ahead and
just scoop them
grab
off?
the red ones. Don't get any of the green ones.
Okay.
Okay, so
well, I'm
pull those off
colorblind,
of
so
there.
it might be tough for me. These have coffee beans inside
They do.
of them.
There's 2 coffee beans and a cherry.
And then they'll dry it in the sun, depending on the weather.
But here comes the point where you separate the high-end coffee from that break room stuff.
This is called a density classifier or a gravity table. The good beans defy gravity and go uphill, and the lower grade beans go to the lower corner.
Take a look for yourself. The lower grade beans are discolored, they're smaller, they're cracked, they taste different than the expensive beans. So the big beans that come through the holes are worth more.
Right.
But they come from the very same crop, separated only by that gravity table.
Batch roasting, batch cooling.
Roasting is an art, but so is the way you make it at home. So you're gonna grind it right before you extract it.
Roasted fresh every day.
If you're not taking green beans, roasting them at home, grinding them at home, putting them in the French press.
It's blooming.
This is where the oil is coming out of the bean.
Right.
Steeping it and then drinking it black, you're doing it all wrong.
Right.
In Kona, Hawaii, Dave Malkoff, The Weather Channel.
Now, coffee from Kona is some of the most expensive in the world thanks to Mother Nature. Volcanic soil coupled with sunny mornings, overcast afternoons, and mild nights make for ideal growing conditions and also for ideal shipping conditions. So, Malkoff, where's our bag?
Yeah, exactly. Where's our Kona coffee, the expensive stuff that we would get for free for sending you to Hawaii?
And Mike's Hawaiian tea.
Yeah.
I need some.
Kona tea.
I don't know.
Yes. Do they make that?
I don't think so.
I don't think so.
either.
Anyway,
Oh,
well, coming up on AMHQ, California already on edge after a series of earthquakes. We'll update you coming up.